Guys, family day. Family day. Wow! Ang ginamunan do. Walking. Tama! Waiting for my guys. Kaya. Walk para sa pamilya. Hindi na diretso. Nice. Pinabasa ako ni Lando. Na umbrella, Ella, Success. Nando. Wet look. MMK guys, MMK. See the light and it's time to see. Go. Oh. Elsa. Awan kuryente. Good morning guys. Currently, it's 10:35. Tayo ng string ng gitara. Kasi treat yourself guys. Tsaka wala pang kuryente. For para malibang tayo konti. Bye-bye. Flood control. Jaywalking. Tinamad na ako guys.
Inom ka na, Angel.
Yucky.
I fell in love with you. You dare forget about the way you betrayed me.
Okay, solo.
Sige na please, wag na kainin. Sorry. For the first time. Baby, oh! Sayang, boy.
Look, guys! Kita pala ka na!
Benta ka mga lapay-pay kina.
Bang sana pa eh. Oy, green card. Ingat dakto. Go.
Dati tis patay.
Di ba truth or dare?
Sana all ka no. Punan Camille. Doon na bang seat?
Pakian.
Hi loves from the Love. I am Fevy, you see, you get, it's real, and I am here. You might be wondering what all those clips were about. In life, especially in love, we often get lost trying to give everything to one person, and sometimes we forget to give time to ourselves, to our family, and to our friends. It is a reminder that love isn't meant to consume your whole world. Before this, you saw me spending time with my family and my friends, the ones who accepts me for who I am and the people who shape me. And you saw moments where I explored and learned to enjoy my own company because self-love is where everything starts. Now, here with someone I'm learning to love. She's been with me through this journey, giving me space to grow and always supporting me in life. Through this journey, the people featured in the video and I shared deep conversations where I listened and offered advice based on what I knew was right. Through the website and videos I created, I hope to reach people who are facing these challenges to remind them that they deserve respect, effort, and genuine love. Even if I can only help a small number of people, I hope my message inspires them to be more aware, to choose better, and to love in peace. If there's one thing I want you to take from this is that love should make you more, not less. Balancing love and personal life are not about choosing one over the other. It's about staying whole while you share yourself with someone. Love should not feel like a chase or a burden, but something that feels genuine and right. Again, I am Fevy. You see, you get, it's real. And I am here. Bye loves from the Love.